Yo, what's up boys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Unmasked here, and in today's video guys, what I'm going to be teaching you is how to make the most efficient kill counter possible. Now, there's a couple different methods to this sort of command, but this is like the most effective for me. Works is when a player, when they're like, what do you call it, die or something, they drop the nether star and the closest person gets a kill, as you can see on the scoreboard there. So that's pretty cool. And that's basically how all of this works. So let's just get to the commands. You're going to probably want to put this under your map. So if you come under here, here's my commands. You don't really need this one. Okay, so you need these two commands. And then there's another thing which you will have to do, which I'll help you guys out with. So what you want to do is you want to go over to your repeating command block. Make sure you place one down. And if it's on impulse at the start, just put it a repeat. Make sure it's on conditional and always active. And then after that guys, just type in execute just this command basically, until this last little, where my cursor is here, just do it up to there, and then I'll explain the rest of the part. Basically what this is doing is it's testing when someone drops this and it's adding a kill to the scoreboard. This is all this one is. Alright, so I'll let you guys type that in. You can pause the video if you like. And then what you want to type in is scoreboard players add at P, and then you need to have like a kills objective or something like that. So as you can see, man on the right there is kills. Just create whatever objective you want. It could be eliminations, you know, something like that. And then just one, if you, because I give them one kill, but you can choose to give your players, I don't know, 5 or 6 kills. It's completely up to you. If you want to know how to make a custom scoreboard that isn't like this, it works really well. There's another video on my channel for that. You can go check that out. Anyway, the next command is a chain on condition. A chain conditional always active. And basically, it's what you want to do is you want to copy from this section all the way up until where my cursor is. You want to copy this into the next command block. The way you do that if you're on PlayStation like I am is you won't be able to see this, but you go to where the end of it is, like your command, and then you press on the PS4. You should see these 3 little dots. Press it, press select all, press X, and then press copy, and then go on to your next one, and you can click the 3 dots again and click paste. That's how you copy and paste on PS4. Just thought I'd let you guys know. Anyway, so now you want to type in that command and then space kill at E name equals nether star. The way this is gonna work is you're gonna have a nether star there, and when you drop it when you die, that's what happens. And then you want to put this radius on, so that means you have to be in a certain sort of distance. So say someone kills themselves and someone else is at spawn, they're not going to get the kill because that'd be pretty rubbish. And then C equals 1 makes sure that 1 nether star drops, which is obviously what we want. Alright guys, so that's all you need under your PvP. We can get rid of that now. And then you want one more command. So you will have to set your world spawn over here, but there's a workaround. So you have your normal spawn like I do up there, and then we have this little area here. I'm just going to Control F and delete this command block. And basically what will happen is you'll set your world spawn inside here, and a player, once they die, they'll like be teleported here, they'll jump in, and they'll get another star, and then they'll get teleported back over there. I've just turned the thing that teleports you off so I can show you the command. So basically you just want to build like a black box or something, and then set your world spawn in it. So you just type slash set world spawn, and then you want to get a repeating command block. Make sure it's facing this way, or the direction that these 2 devices are in. Then you want to just type in test4 at a r equals 3, all is active, you know, all this. And then it says found me because I'm in a range of 3 to it. You want to place this right under your black box, by the way. Alright, and then you want to place a redstone comparator facing that way. And then you want to place a repeater facing the same way, and then an impulse. On the impulse, you want to type in, make sure it's on impulse needs redstone. I type in this exact command, guys. Execute at a r equals 40. You can change the range. It's just my black box is really far away from there, so I just put a r equals 40. You could do r equals like 5 or something. and then these things, I call them tildes, or you can call them squiggly lines, whatever you want. And make sure they have spaces in between on all of these in this episode, by the way. And then replace item entity at the same one you put there, and then slot.inventory and then nether star. So that obviously gives me my nether star there. The reason you only have it there and you don't have it so it's on a repeating command block and it gives you the nether star all the time is because that makes your thing, like your hotbar at the bottom, go like this for some reason. I don't know. So this is my little workaround. And then after that, guys, all you want to do is just place down a chain conditional always active and put TP at P, and them coordinates there is where my spawn is. So you want to put where your spawn is. Basically what will happen is they'll spawn, right? And they'll spawn in and they'll get teleported and have their thing. One thing you want to do though is, I'll just come back over here where my little box is. You want to have it so that above it, so basically you're going to have your floor like this. I'll just do an example. So say this is your black box, yeah? What you want to do is, instead of you setting your spawn point when you stood on this, you want to be like one layer up, if you get what I mean. The reason for this is sometimes if you have it so it's just on top of the block, it doesn't teleport you, it just traps you in here. Don't think you want your players having that problem. So just put it on this and you just get teleported, and yeah. I'll go in survival and show you how it works. So let me just show you guys how it would work. Oh, so basically, let me just go in survival. So you get killed, and then you can respawn. So you hit respawn, and you just go in that box and get your item. And obviously, the only downside about this is if someone drops the item, they get the kill. But I've got like a rule that you get like kicked from the game if you do that. By the way, if you want to see how to make a ban command, just let me know. And basically, that's all that is, guys. That's all you need to do for that. Anyway, thank you all guys for 50 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and all the support I've been getting on the channel recently. You guys are really nice. So I'm happy that I got this great community. Anyway, I just want to say thank you all for subscribing, liking the videos. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.